Hygienic issues occur when a non-harmful contaminant is introduced. In most cases, it's human DNA.
So we have a study today brought to you by Clear Foods, and they have confirmed.
Hold up, guys. This is kind of alarming. Kind of, on the dangerous side.
It's disgusting because they have confirmed that there is traces of meat as well as human DNA in vegetarian hot dogs.
Not only am I not vegan, I'm a cannibal.
Look.
I mean, like 2 months ago, we were having a campfire, and I'm like, hey, cool. Let's bring our veggie hot dogs. We'll fit right in. And I'm barbecuing human flesh. What?
It doesn't make sense.
4 of the 21 vegetarian samples had hygienic issues, which is about 20%.
So they took 345 hot dogs from 75 different brand name companies, and they got that from 10 different retailers. So I think we can definitely say they got that. They got a decent sample pool.
No, and it came back 14.4% of all hot dogs were problematic.
So when we say problematic, we mean there's either an hygienic issue or a substitute of some kind. And a hygienic issue occurs when there is some sort of non-harmful contaminant that is introduced, which in most cases is human DNA, as well as a substitute, which means the ingredients does not meet up to what is on the label, as well as ingredients on the label may not be found.
Not only were 14.4% of the hot dogs problematic, 2% of those problematic hot dogs were contaminated with human DNA.
That is so disgusting, as well as over 10% of the vegetarian hot dogs contained sources of meat.
Along with the 14% of defective hot dogs, there were also nutritional inaccuracies on the label.
In some cases, they would lie and say that there was 2.5 times the protein than was actually inside of the veggie dog.
Not only that, but some of the products exaggerated the amount of protein that they have by as much as 2.5 times. So when the packages claim 25 grams of protein, you're only getting 10 grams. What's up with that?
With all of this, 14.4% problematic, how are these making it onto the shelf?
And out of all the hot dogs that they sampled, 67% of the problems came from the veggie dogs themselves. In 2014, Americans spent over $2.5 billion on hot dogs, another $2.74 billion on dinner sausages, and over $500 million on breakfast sausages. I mean, I think we're starting to see the link between obesity versus the food that we eat here.
The people are spending billions on hot dogs, and I'm starting to see why there's so much chronic diseases and heart disease and people dying of cancer every day.
And not only that, but there's traces of other kinds of meat, human DNA. I mean, we all know that the hot dogs are made from the bottom of the barrel, chicken lips and assholes, you know what I'm saying? That's disgusting. Chicken lips and assholes. Chickens don't have lips. Chickens don't have lips? Yeah. That's just made out of assholes. You don't have lips. Should we say that?
So I'm starting to see a trend here. With all this processed food and packaged food, you really have no idea what they're actually putting in that wrapper and sending to you. You can read the back of the label, but according to this research, there are so many inaccuracies. Who knows what's in there anymore?
My trust is lost, Jay. Where do I put my trust? Now, I can't trust them.
Don't worry.
I can't trust the labels, Jay.
LT, we got ideas for you.
Got your back.
You want to know what doesn't have a label on it? Piece of broccoli.
Wow.
You hold up a leafy green, some spinach, there's no labels on there. You know exactly what's in it. What's in a potato?
So we're definitely going to be recommending whole food stuff with one ingredient when you have to read the back of a box. I mean, not only is it hard to trust what's in it, I mean, unless you really put it together yourself, you're not gonna know what's there. So
no, so honestly, all you gotta do is stick to whole foods. Make the food yourself. Don't buy the processed food. Make your own food so you know exactly what's in it.
Whole Foods definitely agree with your buyer the most, so why not give it what it wants?
So it's Whole Foods for tonight,
and it's fruits and vegetables for the win.